Hello guys, this is the part 2 of that thing we're solving. Come on.
Oh, wait, stop the video.
Hello guys, sorry, kanina. Sorry. I'm Filipino, by the way. Filipino. What the?
Try to solving
I think
again.
I know where the twisted corner is now. Perfect.
There are more twisted corners.
We already twisted it and the cube solver doesn't know. That's why.
Stitch, 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 stitch.
Chet, 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 chet. We only have 2 more minutes to solve this cubing thingy. Dot 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 dot. There's only 37. Open that. Open it.
Let's go to mother's house. Dai! Punta mo sa first floor, Dai. Punta ka nga doon sa first floor, Dai. Tapos hanapin mo yung lagayan doon ng mga... Yung parang square doon na puti. May isang kutina. Kuha naman ng kutina.
Sama ako.
Price.
Sama ko ta. Sama ko ta. Ano ba yun?
Pricing burger.
Sama ko ta.
5, 6, 7.
Man.
Nagulo-gulo naman ito. Ano susunod?
One more minute. One more minute.
2 10 moves.
One, we have 20 more moves.
May lagayan. May yung dito.
First.
Yung ginano ni Mama. Kuha ka lang isang kutina. Saan nakalagay? Ano lagayan? Yung parang puti. Yung parang yung dating puti. Imagine sana kasi nagkamalari kasi ano kasi.
Sama ako ma, please.
Ano gagawin mo doon?
Sasama lang ako. Eh.
Isa tamo doon to.
Where's the...